Hello. Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to use the strategy called unchanged difference. So when will you get unchanged difference? Okay, so you have to remember, when you add or subtract the same amount to both quantities, the difference will remain unchanged. So for example, okay, in word problems involving age, you will always get unchanged difference. Okay, so for example, if you are now 12 years old, so let's say you are now 12 years old, right? Okay, so you are 12 years old and you have a little brother in primary 4, okay, which is 10 years old. Okay, so 2 years younger than you. Okay, so your little brother is 10 years old. So what is the difference in your age? 12 minus 10 is 2. So you are 2 years older than your brother and your brother is 2 years younger than you. So if somebody asks you, when will your little brother be older than you? Is that possible? Of course not, right? Why? Okay, so for example, in 5 years time, how old will you be? So let's add 5 to your age. 12 plus 5, you will be 17 years old. Your brother will also grow by 5 years old. So your brother will be 10 plus 5, 15 years old. And the difference in your age will still be 2. That is why we have unchanged difference. Okay, because both at 5 years old. Similarly, if the question say 5 years ago, okay, so now you are 12 years old. 5 years ago, how old will you be? So let's cut 5 from your age. So 12 minus 5 is, you will be 7 years old. How about your brother? Let's take out 5 from 10 years old. Okay, so 10 minus 5 will be, your brother will be 5 years old. What do you notice about the difference? 7 minus 5 is still 2. Okay, so that is when we will get unchanged difference, when you plus or subtract the same amount from both quantities. Okay, now let's look at this question for an example. Ali and Bala shared a sum of money in the ratio 2:5. So the before ratio is 2:5. After both of them received $12 each, that is the clue. Both received $12 each. So Ali plus $12, Bala also plus $12. So if they add the same amount, that means we know we have to use unchanged difference strategy for this question. Okay, so what is the after ratio? It became 2:3. Now, if you look at the ratio, it doesn't make sense yet. Why? Because before Ali has 2 units, after Ali has 2 units. But then there's a change of $12. Here, Bala has 5 units, after it dropped to 3 units. But then there's a change of $12. So the ratio does not make sense. And that the reason is because we have not made the difference the same. Now, let's try to make the difference the same. 5 minus 2 is 3 units. 3 minus 2 is 1 unit. How do we make it the same? 3 and 1, the lowest common multiple is 3. So, I have to times 3 for all my ratio. Then I will get 6 unit is to 9 unit. And now the total will be, the difference, will be 3 units. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here I did not change, okay, because it's already 3. So let's just bracket it up. So now let's see whether the ratio makes sense. From 2 units become 6 units. What is the change? Plus 4 units. From 5 units become 9 units. What is the change? Plus 4 units. Now you can form the relationship. Okay, 4 units is equals to $12. So 1 unit is equals to 12 divided by 4, $3. So what does the question ask us to find? How much money does Bala have at first? Okay, so how many units is that? At first, Bala will have 5 units. Okay, so 5 units will be equals to $15, and that is the final answer. Okay, so that's all for unchanged difference. Thank you.